7.3. High blood pressure leads to an accumulation of tissue fluid. Explain how. So if there is a high blood pressure, then this is going to equal a high hydrostatic pressure. If you have a high hydrostatic pressure, then you've got an increased outward pressure at the arterial end of the capillary. So it means that you've got a higher hydrostatic pressure, which is going to force the tissue fluid out. Because you've got a higher hydrostatic pressure inside the arterial end, you've now increased the gradient between inside the capillary and the outside, therefore more tissue fluid will be formed. Then at the venal end, we have now reduced the inward pressure at the venal end, because at the venal end is when the reabsorption happens. So if you've got an increased outward pressure, then this is going to push out and make more tissue fluid, which then means that at the venal end, the inward pressure at the end of the capillary is reduced, and it means that less of that fluid is then reabsorbed. Therefore, you get the accumulation of tissue fluid, because the lymph system is not able to drain the tissues fast enough, and there's not enough fluid being reabsorbed back into the capillary due to the fact that there's been a reduction in the inward pressure at the venal end.